Ever felt like your life, or at least your work life, is just a never-ending stream of WhatsApp messages? Like you're drowning in information, tasks, and to-dos, all scattered across different group chats and individual conversations? You're trying to keep track of deadlines, delegate tasks, and maintain some semblance of order, but it feels like herding cats in a hurricane, right? And then you remember Trello, that beautiful, organized, visual paradise of boards, lists, and cards. You think, if only I could somehow connect this chaos on WhatsApp to the structured calm of Trello, my life would be infinitely better. So, you ask yourself the golden question: does Trello integrate with WhatsApp? That's what we're going to dive into today. We're going to explore the possibilities, the limitations, and the workarounds. Because let's be honest, we've all dreamt of a world where our WhatsApp conversations seamlessly translate into actionable tasks on our Trello boards. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and understand why this is such a common question. WhatsApp, with its billions of users, is undeniably a communication powerhouse. It's where we chat with friends, family, and increasingly, where we collaborate with colleagues. It's immediate, it's convenient, and it's practically ubiquitous. Trello, on the other hand, is a project management tool known for its visual simplicity and flexibility. It's perfect for organizing tasks, tracking progress, and collaborating with teams. You can create boards for different projects, lists for different stages of a project, and cards for individual tasks. The desire to bridge these two platforms stems from a fundamental need: to manage information flow and improve productivity. We want to capture the valuable information shared on WhatsApp and turn it into actionable tasks within Trello. We want to avoid losing important details in the sea of messages. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. The direct, official answer is no. Trello does not offer a direct, seamless integration with WhatsApp. You won't find a dedicated Connect WhatsApp button within Trello settings. However, that doesn't mean all hope is lost. There are several workarounds and alternative approaches you can use to bridge the gap between these two platforms. First, let's talk about the most basic and manual approach: copying and pasting. Yes, it's as simple as it sounds. You can copy relevant messages or information from WhatsApp and paste them into Trello cards. This is a simple, albeit time-consuming, method. You can create a card for a specific task or project, and then paste the relevant WhatsApp messages into the card's description or comments. While this method is straightforward, it's not ideal for managing large volumes of information. It's also prone to human error, as you might miss important details or paste information into the wrong card. Second, let's explore the use of third-party automation tools. Services like Zapier and Make, formerly Integromat, are powerful platforms that allow you to connect different apps and automate workflows. While they don't offer a direct WhatsApp integration due to WhatsApp's API limitations, they can be used in conjunction with other tools to create a semi-automated workflow. For example, you could use a tool like Google Sheets or a note-taking app like Evernote as an intermediary. You could set up an automation that triggers when a specific message is starred in WhatsApp, copying the message to a Google Sheet row or an Evernote note. Then you could use Zapier or Make to connect Google Sheets or Evernote to Trello, automatically creating a Trello card from the new row or note. This approach requires a bit more technical setup, but it can significantly streamline the process of transferring information from WhatsApp to Trello. Another workaround involves using email. WhatsApp allows you to forward messages via email. You can forward relevant WhatsApp messages to a specific email address that's connected to your Trello board. Trello has a feature that allows you to create cards by sending emails to a unique email address associated with your board. This method is relatively simple and doesn't require any third-party tools. However, it can be a bit cumbersome, especially if you need to forward multiple messages. Let's also consider the use of WhatsApp Business API. If you're using WhatsApp Business, you might have access to the WhatsApp Business API, which allows for more advanced integrations. However, this API is primarily designed for businesses and requires technical expertise to implement. With the WhatsApp Business API, you could potentially build a custom integration that automatically creates Trello cards from specific WhatsApp messages. However, this is a complex and time-consuming process that's not suitable for most users. One of the key challenges in integrating WhatsApp with Trello is WhatsApp's API limitations. WhatsApp has historically been cautious about opening up its API to third-party developers, primarily due to privacy and security concerns. This has made it difficult to create seamless integrations with other apps. However, WhatsApp has been gradually opening up its API in recent years, particularly for businesses. So, it's possible that we might see more robust integrations in the future. In the meantime, we have to rely on workarounds and alternative approaches. Now, let's talk about some best practices for managing information flow between WhatsApp and Trello. First, establish clear communication protocols within your team. Define specific keywords or phrases that indicate actionable tasks. For example, you could use the phrase Trello task or action item to signal that a message needs to be transferred to Trello. Second, designate a specific person or team responsible for transferring information from WhatsApp to Trello. This ensures that tasks are not overlooked and that information is consistently captured. Third, regularly review and update your Trello boards. This helps to ensure that your boards remain organized and that tasks are completed in a timely manner. Fourth, consider using Trello's Power UPS to enhance your workflow. Power UPS are integrations with other apps and services that add extra functionality to Trello. Some Power UPS might offer features that can help you manage information flow from WhatsApp, even indirectly. Fifth, explore the use of voice notes. WhatsApp voice notes are a great way to capture detailed information quickly. You can transcribe voice notes and then copy and paste the transcription into Trello. Sixth, use the sharing feature within WhatsApp. If you find a link or a document that you need to add to Trello, you can use the share feature to send it to an email address that creates Trello cards. Seventh, create a dedicated WhatsApp inbox list on your Trello board. This list can serve as a temporary holding area for information transferred from WhatsApp. You can then move cards from this list to other lists as needed. Eighth, use labels and due dates in Trello to organize and prioritize tasks transferred from WhatsApp. This helps to ensure that tasks are completed on time and that important details are not overlooked. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.